What's up, creative? What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. Today, we are going to be doing a very easy origami tutorial today. We are going to be making this flapping bird. Very simple one to make. So what we are waiting for? Let's roll intro. Hey, what's happening, everybody? Hope we are all well, had a good week and a good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch and motivational artist, uploading art therapy videos on a Wednesday and how-to videos on a Tuesday. If you like that sort of thing, hit the subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. I also create designs for my Redbubble store. My latest designs that I've created are coming along the bottom of this video here. On my Redbubble store, there are plenty of designs on there to suit all sorts of occasions. I have loads of designs on there for dog lovers, cat lovers. You know, I've got some new golfing ones on there as well. There's fishing ones on there. Any type of activity you can think of, there is a design up on there. The designs are on t-shirts, mugs, phone covers, masks, shower curtains, loads of different products that you can find any of my designs featured on. Great, there's also greeting cards on there as well. So if you've got an occasion coming up, or if you've got a birthday coming up, or anything like that, anniversary, thank you gifts, lots of nurses ones on there as well. If you've got anything like that coming up, and you're stuck for ideas of what to buy them, check out my Redbubble store. Loads of inspirational ideas on there, loads of products on there for you to purchase and to buy for your loved one or for friends and family as well. Links in the description below. And I also produce and create my own published books for Amazon as well. The books I have been creating are adult and children colouring books. They are also notebooks and journals, a sketchbook, a how to draw mandala book, which also works very well with my art therapy video that I upload on a Wednesday, which is drawing a mandala. I've also uploaded a mental health mood tracker diary called It's Not Just Motivational on Mondays. A very good motivational book to help you get through your difficult times. You write down all your feelings, your thoughts, your goals, your achievements, gratitudes, all that sort of thing inside of this book. But not only that, there are breathing exercises in there for you to help focus on and to concentrate, and also there is also art therapy Zentangle drawings, art therapy drawings for you to also create yourself with reference pictures inside of the book, and also links to my playlists on my YouTube channel as well. There are also links to the playlists on the bottom of this video. Those videos will help you to create your own Zentangle patterns, also help you to gain some interest and also some ideas, some inspiration as well for you to create your own Zentangle patterns. These patterns are extremely great to do for yourself. They help you to focus, also to relax, to be calm, help you with your hand-eye coordination, better sleep patterns, and also they help you with your mistakes. To know more about this, to know more about the Zentangle videos, I did a video for a art group. Just click that link just up above there, and you can see that video all about Zentangles and their origins. So today, yes, we are going to be going down the origami route again, making this flapping bird. Very cool flapping bird to make, very simple to make, great to do with the kids, great to make for the kids as well. Many years ago, when my daughter was little, I made quite a few of these things for her. I actually made a little mobile for her as well, just to hang above her cot. All in silver paper it was, and it was really cool. So you can make loads of things like this as well for the kids and with the kids as well. It's a great little tutorial to do with them when they're sitting around being bored. So what we are waiting for, let's roll the video. And how was that video for you guys? Nice and easy one it was. Let me know in the comments below on how you got on, and hit that like button if you enjoyed that video. More origami videos and tutorials coming up in next week's show. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.